How do you prepare for your green card interview? Any advice? That's the question I get asked the most for people doing their own immigration cases. And there's one main thing you got to do, which is prepare. And preparation comes in two segments and is what the government's going to look at. One is the basis for getting the green card, whether family based, employment based, green card lottery. You got to make sure the paperwork for that is correct. If it's family, you have the right family relationship documents. If it's employment, you have the right documents related to that with your work history, education history, even the green card lottery. Make sure you fill out the initial application correctly. And secondly, it's about your background, how it's correct. You have your police certificates if needed, birth certificates, marriage records, divorce records. Are they the right documents? Be prepared to talk about them to make sure it's all correct and you don't have any issues like inadmissibility, fraud, or misrepresentation in the past. No tax issues in the US if you're here for a bit. That can be problematic. So it's all about being prepared, talking about your relationships, talking about the reason why you got it, how it's legit, and how your background is good. You got to focus on these and answer well. And the reason I said is people go there without preparation. They say, well, I'm honest. I don't need to hide anything. And they get asked the question, what was your last address? They don't remember it. And the officer then mistakenly, unnecessarily must say, oh, you're lying to me or something, right? Or you don't have your, your transcripts for your education degree if it's education based kind of case. And then, you get an RFE request for evidence. Your case takes an extra 6 months to be approved. So preparation, having the paperwork together, the answers ready to go, and sharp without having to think too much about it. And that's the thing that we do at our law firm. We really help our clients before the interview prep and have the questions ahead of time of what's going to be asked so that mindset is ready to go and they're not as nervous during the